Hello mga langlang! Well then, since I decided to be a content creator, let me introduce to you first my not so little big family. Let's start from the youngest member of our family, our little Jylin, or let me say, our little boss. And this is my middle child. His name is Jairi. Kung napapansin ninyo, medyo bored while waiting sa food. Pakyut ng konti para hindi halatang gutom. And here is my not sumasungit na ate. My panganay, Princess Jonilyn. And of course, the best husband and the best tatay ever, John Ril. And of course, yours truly. Oh, mga kalanglang, support niyo ako ha. Let's enjoy and have fun!